Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your MacBook. This issue can be super frustrating, especially when you suddenly lose internet access. So let's go through a few fixes you can try right now. First, open System Settings from the dock or Apple menu. On the left side, click on Wi-Fi. If you're already connected, or it looks like your Mac is trying to connect, click the Details button next to your network. From here, head to the Proxies section on the left. Make sure all the proxy settings are turned off. Once you've done that, click OK, then try reconnecting to your network to see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, go back into Details and this time click on Forget this network. Confirm that you want to remove it. This will disconnect your Mac from that network and forget the saved settings. Now, restart your Mac by clicking the Apple icon in the top left and selecting Restart. Once your Mac has rebooted, click the Wi-Fi icon at the top right of your screen, or go back into System Settings and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. You'll need to enter the password again, then see if everything is working normally. Still no luck? Here's another trick. Hold down the Option key on your keyboard and then click the Wi-Fi icon in the top menu bar. This gives you access to some advanced tools. From the drop-down, choose Open Wireless Diagnostics. This built-in tool will walk you through some steps to help identify and fix the issue. Follow the prompts, and let your Mac do its thing. It may be able to automatically detect and resolve the problem. If the issue still isn't fixed, it's worth checking whether your Wi-Fi is working on other devices, like your phone or another computer. If those devices can't connect either, the issue may be with your router or internet provider. In that case, reach out to your ISP for help. Hopefully one of these steps helped you get your Wi-Fi back up and running. If this video was useful, give it a like and subscribe for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.